Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tips 2025. If you're an iPad owner, you might need to check your device's serial number for warranty claims, repairs, or even selling it. In this video, we'll walk you through the easiest ways to find it on your iPad. Don't worry, it's straightforward and takes just a minute or two. Let's jump right in. First, the simplest method is through your iPad's Settings app. Unlock your iPad and open the Settings icon. It's that gear-shaped one on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on General. Then, look for About at the top of the list and tap that. Boom! You'll see a bunch of info about your device, including the serial number right there on the screen. Easy, right? If you're not near your iPad or it's turned off, you can check the physical location. Flip your iPad over. On most models, the serial number is engraved on the back, near the bottom. It's a long string of letters and numbers. If you have the original box, check the barcode sticker on it. That usually has the serial number too. Another option is using a computer. Connect your iPad to a Mac or PC via USB. On a Mac, open Finder. On a Windows PC, use iTunes. Select your iPad from the devices list, and you'll find the serial number displayed in the summary section. This is great if you're troubleshooting or backing up your device. Pro tip: once you have the serial number, jot it down or save it in your Notes app. It's super helpful for Apple support or when registering your device. Remember, serial numbers are unique, so keep them secure to avoid any issues. There you have it. 3 quick ways to check your iPad's serial number in 2025. Whether you're a tech newbie or a pro, this should make things a breeze. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.